First of all, I want to thank each and every one of y'all taking your time out your busy schedule just to stop by Mount Olive Head Start Center. And nothing that we try to achieve can be possible without you. So thank you so much. Y'all give yourselves a big round of applause.
What could we do to work with our children? So that's when we decided to come up with a garden. And then talking with the Cooperative Extension, great folks that kind of guided me and kind of brought my broad idea, narrowed it down into a realistic place. With some things that's going on in the world today, I saw a need. And once we see a need in Head Start, we try to create opportunity and try to find all the resources that we can possibly find to fulfill those needs.
What excites me the most is teaching the kids how to work off the land, eat off the land, letting them learn. Letting the kids learn growth and to stay on task and just hope it's fruitful.
Hope, I guess you could say, that even out of something that probably shouldn't be here anymore, there's still a chance for something to live and grow.
Working outside has always just been therapeutic for me. And I think the children would like having the opportunity to come out here and have hands-on training and get to feel the plants, talk about it, just kind of broaden their horizon. Hey, the impact is the way we're going to have it situated. The children can actually look out the window and see the process of the plants growing. I think what's going to be so exciting for them is they're going to actually come out and put seeds down or small plants that they can see turn into big plants. I think we got to catch them while they're young. So catching them while they're young, that's the passion of mine. It seems like when they get older, it's hard to bend them and turn them into what you necessarily want them. But if we catch them young, I think we could put all these great things into them. We always want them to be able to have a starting place, learn we start here, we make it through this part, but this is what you reap from staying the course. And that's what we hope that they will learn, to stay the process and until they can get to the completion of it. So I think it's not just going to be a fruit on the plant. We're going to see these children fruit too.